In bustling warehouses or construction sites, fast and efficient transportation is key. This 500-pound 2-in-1 hand truck is specifically designed for tough tasks. Press the fold button and extend the base. Open the platform. Unfold the frame. Adjust the expandable frame. Switch between 2 modes effortlessly to fit your needs. 2-wheel mode offers lightness and agility, perfect for narrow spaces. 4-wheel mode with a load capacity of up to 500 pounds, ideal for pallet goods. No need to worry about cargo dimensions. The base is expandable. It adapts to various item sizes, from large to small, built with a sturdy alloy steel frame that withstands heavy loads without warping or bending. 6-inch rubber wheels are wear-resistant, anti-slip, and quiet. 4-inch 360-degree swivel casters make steering in tight spots a breeze. Ergonomic handle design reduces effort when pushing or pulling. Height-adjustable handle keeps you in a natural position, reducing strain on your back. Includes an elastic strap to securely hold cargo in place during transport. Perfect for outdoor hauling and quick storage. Folds down easily to fit in your car trunk. There's a hand truck for every job. Choose from a variety of options to suit your specific needs.